Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday. We had an uneventful night last night. I was a bit worried because when Nick used to live at home, I used to hear him laughing and chatting with his friends online and stuff. It used to keep me awake, but there was none of that last night. It is a snow day today, and there's not even any snow. It didn't even snow last night. No snow. I've got the laundry in, and I got the brownies made. The girls and I whipped up these brownies early this morning as soon as we got up. They are super yummy brownies. You can't tell by looking at them. Let me see if I can lift one up. Wait, I should have greased the pan. Shoot. Inside them is this super yummy, amazing caramel sauce. Doesn't that make you just want to eat them? The girls are super hard at work. Some days it's really hard to rein them in and get them working in the morning. Sometimes they just get up and they just want to be on the go and doing physical stuff. You guys can hear the sound machine upstairs because I leave it on when Nick is home, when he's here, because I want him to get as much sleep as he needs. And he works at night, so he needs to sleep during the day. Anyway, I've been getting together. It's amazing the stuff I've hidden in this house, but the girls and I have been learning. So they've been doing crochet, they've been doing these, what are those things called again, Gabby?
Rainbow looms.
They've been doing these rainbow looms. Whoops. You know, all the elastics. That's Gabby's pack there. There's so many things I want them to learn, and the next thing I want to teach them is sewing. They have reading time, and then I have times that I read to them every single day. And when I read to them, instead of just sitting there listening to me, they do stuff. So I am gonna do a sewing with them today. So this is Gabby's little kit that I found in her closet. That's what I was talking about when I said it's amazing, all the things we have hidden in this house. And it's these little shapes, these little creatures, and it's got all this embroidery thread. She's just got a little sewing kit in here. And I've got some stuffing. So I'm gonna show them how to sew today. These girls are gonna learn how to sew. Yep, it's gonna happen. Are you excited to learn to sew? You smoothie on your forehead. Yuck. Are you excited to learn how to sew?
I'm not sewing.
Yeah, she is sewing.
Yeah, I'm not.
What do you want to do instead of sew?
Rainbow loom and crochet.
Yeah, but we need to learn all sorts of different things.
I'm going to learn to crochet dog collar.
You might learn to sew something, and once you learn, I'll teach you how to sew on a sewing machine.
I used to have a sewing machine.
Yeah, I have a really big one though that works good. Are you excited to learn to sew? No. All right. I guess a big part of homeschool for me is teaching them the things that they're interested in if they're not interested in sewing. But how do you know if you're interested in sewing unless you try it? It's sewing!
It's cold! Turn it off.
You guys, it is coming down. I feel like they have so much.
I got it in my
Did you? It'll melt. You'll be okay. I feel like the states have so much more snow than us, but we are getting it now.
This is a pincushion. It looks like a tomato.
Looks like a tomato. Anyway, so we're sitting down to read our book. We're reading a horse book. Do you remember what it's called? Misty?
No, Wild Thing.
Wild Thing. It's a horse book, obviously.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's a book that I read to them. I've been teaching them how to sew, and Gabby's making this little pillow. Sophie's making the exact same pillow. Anyway, I taught her how to sew the ear on this, and she could have sewn it all around like this, but she chose to just sew one edge so that it could stand up like this for her elephant ear, which I thought was really brilliant. And now she is sewing that one. Do you like sewing?
Yeah.
It's relaxing, right? You just sit there and relax. All right, and now I'm going to show Sophie how to do hers. Show them your ear. So she's got it pinned on there, and she's got her thread all ready to go. And we're gonna get started. It is getting darker and darker as the day goes because so much snow is coming down. So the girls and I decided that we're going to
train our rats.
Try and train our rats. They
Look
say
what I made for him.
They say rats are super smart. And we're gonna test
Yeah,
it
my guy is super duper smart.
and see if it's true. So the girls got this dog school kit for Christmas.
Training kit.
It's a training kit, and we got this little thing here, and we're gonna try and use it to train the rat. So we gotta choose one rat to start with.
Buddy.
Okay, so we'll start with this guy.
Watch. Oh. Hey. Hey, no.
Okay,
Buddy,
so we're gonna use some ham, a piece of ham. We're gonna put it underneath the circle.
He wants up on the couch. I know.
Look at him. He's the cutest.
I'm gonna that collar for him, but I'm taking it off him.
You should take it off.
Once he's in his bed and when we're doing training.
Look, he does not look like he likes it. He's like, get this collar off of me right now.
Hey.
All right, so I put a piece of ham underneath the black circle, and see how none of the other things
Can we do that up?
have colors on them? All right, so put them on this thing here.
Concentrate.
Look, 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 look at me. He pretty much needs to look. Here, let me see him. Come here, big guy. Look at the black circle. Look. He's like, look,
Easy would do that.
look, look, look.
Hey, buddy.
All right, our rat is not cooperating.
Okay, now it's my
Just wait. Gabby can get him to do it.
Look it. Hey. Wow. Ooh. Hey. Hey, buddy. Look at that. Look at that. No. Look at.
What if we got sunflower seeds? They love ham.
He likes that. Come here. Hey, bud. Hey, bud. Look it. In there.
Okay, let's let him walk on it and see if he'll walk on it. He's like, no. I don't think our rats are super smart. I'm just joking. I do think you're smart.
Look it.
I think the problem is that they're not used to walking around on the rug. We don't let them walk around on the rug. So,
Hey, something.
and they've been upstairs for a couple of months. So I think they just need to feel more familiar with their environment before we can train them to do this. Oh, look at you.
No, I put that on.
I know, but he looked super cute. All right, let's try
watch
Score.
him.
I mean, let's try, what's his name?
Cool.
That's his name is Score?
Yeah, and this guy's buddy.
Oh. All right, let's try Score. All right, Score. Look. Wow, look.
He's super scared. But he's super scared, that's why.
Oh, I think they're both scared. They're like, help me, help me.
Guys, when I said like when school was down,
That's it.
when they were downhill,
Yeah, it doesn't scare them.
I put my boy down on the ground for a couple rounds, and he usually just runs right in here.
on.
It runs right between your
There
legs.
you go.
All right.
I'm putting him on and
All right, well, I thought it would be fun. I thought that they would be super smart and we'd be able to just train them, but I don't think that's going to be the case. I think we have to work at this and work at this and work at this, and soon we'll show you how it goes. We'll just keep working on it, and then when we get them to be able to do something, then we'll show you. It turns out that this little rat is awesome at training. Where is it, Macy? Find the black circle.
Where is it?
Find the black circle. Find it.
Missy, black circle. Black circle. Black circle. Missy, which one's the black circle? Where's the black
She's like, help me, help me. Oh,
Oh,
good girl. And Abby's like, I want to learn.
Yeah, so
Wherever there's food involved, Abby will be there. Okay, find the circle. Find the black circle.
Missy, find the circle. Find the circle.
Find the black circle.
Missy, find it. Find it.
Get it.
Where's the black circle? Abby, get. I'm terrified. Missy, where's the black circle?
Abby's, you can't push that dog out of the way if you tried.
Hi guys, I'm home early and here's the reason why. It's a blizzard out. the blizzard. You know, I actually shoveled this a bit. See how I shoveled up to there, that big mound? And look how much is left. A ton. A ton of snow. We are getting it, we're getting covered in snow. Well, I'm going to shovel some of this off so it's not as bad. Soon I won't be able to find my car. See, that's it behind me right there. It's all covered in snow. That is a lot of snow. Luckily, it's nice, fluffy stuff that I can use a snowblower for. I'm actually surprised the girls aren't out with me. See if they'll come out.
Whoa! It is a slippy, crazy day out here. Look at the snow. So much snow. Woo! Poor Sam. At least he has the snowblower. A lot of people don't have a snowblower, and that saves a lot. We have a big driveway. Whoa. But it would be so much better if he had a big, huge tractor and he could just scoop it all up, just drive and scoop, because he's got bad knees. I thank God for him, because if he wasn't here, it would be me out there doing all that. I am whipping up my famous pulled pork for supper. I make a secret special sauce that makes you not want to stop eating it. It's amazing. It's one secret ingredient in it, and people always say that they can't stop eating my pulled pork.
Secret ingredient is mustard.
Super ingredient is not mustard, but I do put mustard in it.
Ingredient is chili powder.
Secret ingredient is chili powder. See, that's what happens when you have older kids. They tell all your secrets. Nick is graciously cleaning the microwave for me. All right, so I've mixed in my secret sauce, and then I put in barbecue sauce. All right, then back in the oven. Bake a little bit longer. I just had to try it. It is so good, you guys. And then we put it on the buns. But it's true. When I make my chili sauce, I use mustard, brown sugar, cayenne pepper, and some garlic powder. And the cayenne pepper makes you want to keep eating. It has some kind of a aftertaste that just makes you want to eat and eat and eat.
And there it is. All finished. Finished with the snowblower. Snowblowers are awesome to have. Did you know that they're a Canadian invention? Well, they are, and now it's raining. So hopefully what I just shoveled doesn't turn to ice. Or else I'll have a slippery driveway. All right, and now for something completely different. Sophie's dance.
And thank you.
Ooh, what a good dance. What a good dance. What a good dance. Anyways, I'm patiently waiting for the snowplow to come by and block my driveway in full of snow. Who's gonna shovel with Dad? You gonna help Dad shovel?
No.
So now that the rats are down here again, I usually give them treats every single night. Especially before I go to bed, when I put the dogs away, I make sure they get their treats. And now that they're here, I get to give them treats. But now they don't want any. They're sleeping. You sleeping? Or do you want a treat? A treat?
Dad,
Oh, there you go. You want a treat?
already full with treats.
Oh, they must have had too many treats today. There you go. They like the treats.
Treats.
You gave them treats today?
But they like them.
There they go. They're eating their treats. So they still like their treats. I give them special treats. I like to give them crackers. You know, Ritz crackers? They love Ritz crackers. But in this case, I gave them graham crackers because I ran out of Ritz crackers. So that's it for tonight. I'm gonna end today's vlog and we'll see you tomorrow.
See you guys later on Day by Day. Bye.
And don't forget to make sure to hit that subscribe button down below.